What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG. You already see what's going on here. S9 Plus on deck. Got something really nice from Tech21. Shout out to the guys over at Tech21. Definitely something you're going to want to check out. I got the EVO Tactical. And this thing, from the looks of it, and from what I know previously, because I had this on my Note 8 also, it's one of those protection cases that's certified for protecting your phone and the drop and things of that nature. And we just could check out, let's just look at the front of the box. It's the Evo Tactical. It contains flex shock type material, protects drop after drop. That's what I like, but don't keep dropping your phone. Uh, the drop protection is scientifically proven at 12 feet or 3.6 meters, and that's 12 feet is a lot. So this should really be protecting your device. It's ultra thin, so it's minimal, and you get a lifetime warranty with conditions on the inside. And this is for my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's take a look at the back of the box. As you can see, got the everything we already went over. Okay, zero interference, no impact on signal. So you're still getting all your signal. So don't blame it on the case. Blame it on Sprint if you're not getting your signal. Maximum protection, 3 layers, patent ribs and flex shock impact absorbing material, and a lifetime warranty. So you can't beat that. So, and I always like Tech21 packaging, always so classy. You just slide it out like so. Okay, wow. And we got, before we even take a look at the case, you can see it says, you'll probably drop your phone more than once. Don't worry. Tech21 got you. Drop at the drop. So there's nothing else in the packaging we need to see. Let's look at this case. Nice. Now, I love this flat matte look. I like this look a lot, especially against this glossy black phone. This is going to look hot on the phone, guys. Prepare yourself. When we get to the part of the video where I put this case on the phone, you might want to be sitting down. Okay. See, we got some Tech21 branding. Got nice big cutouts on the bottom. Nice cutout for your camera, your fingerprint scanner, flash, all things of that nature. This is what your power button is going to look like. Also, let's see here. Okay. I like this design on the back. It's a nice little, it's got a nice feel to it, and it's soft. It's a TPU, but it's sturdy. So it's definitely going to feel good in the hands. Definitely a TPU, but sturdy at the same time. As you can see, you got that red protection. You got that flex shock going on. As you can see, it even say flex shock. That's how serious it is. See if I get that. Yeah, flex shock going on. You see these ribs? This frame is very thick, hardened TPU, where the back is a little softer, got a little give to it. The frame, no give, because that's all that, drop protection and scientific 12 feet. This is going to protect your phone for real. But I'm not going to hold it up. I hope you're sitting down. Boom. Easy on the install. And look at that. And I like how, how the back, is y'all getting that? Let me know in the comments. Look how on the back of the case, when you move it, it's like it shimmers. The design almost like shimmers and catches light differently. This is a beautiful case. And I like when you looking at it, you see that glossy back from your S9, and you're not getting them fingerprints everywhere. So definitely a dope case from Tech21. This is the EVO Tactical. As you can see, oh yeah, boom. Got my first generation fit on right now, representing for Samsung. Samsung branding right there. Got Tech21 on my S9 Plus, looking really good, guys. Feels really good in the hand. Nice button press. You got nice big cutouts for your your audio jack, your Type-C, and your speaker, because you want that surround sound speaker bumping. Nice cutouts on the back for everything. Feels really good in the hand, looks really nice. Got a nice little raised lip going on. So if you drop your phone on a flat surface, you're gonna the case is gonna hit the ground before the screen, possibly protect you from a cracked or shattered screen. We don't want that. But yeah, this is Tech21. It's the EVO Tactical. Looking really good. I'm gonna put the link in the description, guys. It's your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is BG Tech Life, BGTECHLIFE. And then my Twitter is BG_Tech Life. I'm not gonna spell that out. It's just you add that underscore between BG and Tech Life on Twitter. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead over to Tech21 Audio EVO Tactical. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.